Namaste students. Today in this video we are going to learn how to convert the images of your assignments directly into PDF file using Google Classroom app. So let's see how do we do that. Considering that your teacher has assigned some work to you in +1 Maths 2021-22 classroom and you have completed the assignment. Before you start, make sure that your notebook is ready and kept open on an even surface. First of all, you should go to Classwork and click on the assignment which is already assigned to you. For example, here we will go for Assignment 7 under Set Theory. If you click on the assignment, it shows this screen where you can add your work. To do so, click on Add Work. After you click, it shows several options like Drive, Camera, Scanner, Upload, Link and Create. Here we need to click on Scanner. Once you click on Scanner, your mobile camera will be switched on. Here you can see the moment I click on Scanner, my mobile camera gets ready to take photo. Now we need to project it on the notebook to take photos. Here we go. Once you capture the image, it shows two options, retry and OK. If the image is not clear or blurred, then click on retry button and capture the image once again. Suppose I click on retry and trying to capture the image once again. Now if you press OK button, it allows you to crop the image. Let us crop it. Click here to crop the image. And you can see I'm trying to crop the image. Once you finish cropping, click here. Now you can see the cropped image is ready. But if you have more pages to add, just click here and repeat the same process. Once you finish adding all pages, click here to save your file. Here you can see that Google Classroom has automatically converted your images into a single PDF file. If you press here, you can verify your file before you submit. Here you can see your file is visible, all the pages which you have taken. Once you are satisfied with the image, you can press on Hand in button. It shows here one attachment will be submitted for sets assignment 7. Once again press on Hand in button. You have successfully submitted your assignment. Thank you for watching the video. Hope this video will make your job easy regarding submitting your home assignments.